Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, Mommy Sir. Have a good day. I'm Michelle Senate Agawili, 30 years old. I'm from Isabela, Philippines. I'm married. I have 2 kids, 2 sons, ages 11 and 8 years old. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am second of the family. I'm college level. I took Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates for 2 years and 1 month. I serve 1 couple and 2 kids, ages 9 months and newborn. My duties are taking care of the children, doing laundry, cleaning, and ironing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the baby is sick, I will check their temperature and I will call my employer, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, responsible, and honest person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for the future of my kids.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your children?
My children are with my husband and my mother, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus in my job and
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
if my job is done, I will sleep at 10 p.m. and usually I woke up in the morning at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will stay calm and I will talk to them nicely and patiently.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
No.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. I can sing a nursery song like head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and nose and mouth and ears. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, sir, mom, please choose me as your housemate. I'm hardworking, honest, and trustworthy. I promise to finish my contract and I will do my best.
Okay.